Here is our Laluz diffuser, and this is a nice little sleep diffuser. It's going to help with sleep, stress, mood, respiratory support. If anybody's sick, it's great for cleansing the air. So you're basically going to fill up just to this little line with regular water, and I use just regular tap water. You can use distilled water if you prefer. Then you're going to take the oil of your choice, so you can mix and match. We have some recipes on our welcome guide, or one of my favorites to diffuse is citrus bloom. You're going to add about 5 to 8 drops. After it comes out, you can put back this little lid here and then put the top lid on. To turn it on, you're just going to press this bottom left button. If you just leave it like that, it will go for 8 hours and you can see the fine mist coming out. Or you can click the power button and it'll go to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or turn off. And you can also hit the light to have different light features. And some of my favorite oils to diffuse in this kit are the citrus bloom on their own. I love cheer. It's a very happy, uplifting smell. Northern Escape is very calm, tranquil. It's a beautiful smell. And I love, love, love the Adaptive. That one's a really good one. You can diffuse all of these oils. You can mix and match. If somebody's sick in the house, you're going to definitely want to diffuse the On Guard to cleanse that air. Or if somebody snores, you're going to want to add some Breathe and put it by their nightstand. For restful sleep, or if you're feeling anxious, the Serenity is wonderful. And Balance is a really great one as well. One of my favorite uplifting combos, or for focus or studying, is Peppermint and Wild Orange. So enjoy your diffuser.